All right, so we are here in winter Nova Scotia, a little bit south of Lunenburg. People shoveling snow off their boats. Pretty darn cold today, and we are here to test a quick release mechanism for the ARC1 where you remove this cartridge rather than having to remove the wire. And the idea is to make it easier to wear it while you're wearing gloves. And our tester here is Tyler, and you can see the gloves he's wearing. We bought them at a fishing store. They're the kind of gloves that commercial fishers use around here. So Tyler will remove this thing we call the cartridge and put it back on. You swap it out for another one and just see how that goes. Replace this cartridge here with the gloves on. It's now his third time doing it. First two training time, like anything else. You have to be prepared that you're doing it for the first time. You're not going to be very efficient. That's just the nature of the beast. And then you get more and more efficient. Well, that was pretty fast, Tyler. Try put it back in. Yeah. All right, well, the cartridge is back in. How are your fingers feeling? Mine are just about freezing off here.
They're cold even in the gloves.
They're cold even in the gloves.
Yeah.
So I think what you'll see here is that this kind of thing, it takes a little bit of training, and Tyler only did it like the third time now. So it's not very efficient yet, but the more you do it, do it for a while, and I'm sure you'll be just fine. All right, bye.
Unscrew the captive screws using a torque drill or a hand driver. And notice these screws will not fall out because they are captive screws. On the bottom of the cartridge is a footprint that matches the top end cap of the ARC. That is designed to help you with reinstalling a new cartridge. It only fits on top one way. Here's your trigger wire to rearm a cartridge when it's not on the ARC. Cut a piece of wire, thread it through the holes on the post, and use an Allen key or an Allen driver to secure in place. Cut off the excess trigger wire, and now you have a cartridge ready for replacement when you're working on your vessel at sea.